Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to make text bold in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a paragraph element here, and there are three words in this paragraph that are bold and are in red color. This one, and this one. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor here. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, which is style.css. Let's create one paragraph element here. It will have some random text like this. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the paragraph element. Give it a width of 70%. Margin will be 0 and auto. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Padding will be 10 pixels. Font size will be 20 pixels. Just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. Now to make a font weight bold, there are three ways. The first way is using B tag. The second way is using strong tag. And third way is using font weight property in CSS. We are going to explore all three in this tutorial. So let's go to code editor. Let's pick a word here. Let's go with this. So here we will use B tag. Just cut it and paste it inside this. Now let's use strong tag for this. Cut it and paste it here. And let's wrap this one with a span element. Give it a class of bold. Save it. Now go to style sheet. First, we'll select the B tag and strong tag. Change the color to red. Select the bold class. Make the font weight bold. And make the color red. Save it. Now let's go to browser. And that's the output. So for this, we are using B tag. For this, we are using strong tag. And for this, we are using CSS property font weight. So these are the three ways that you can utilize whenever you want to make a text bold. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.